Undoubtedly, because I am such a PC super nerd, I often find myself getting asked questions about terms and components in PCs. And right now, one of the most popular questions I'm getting asked is, what is PCIe and what's the difference between PCIe 4 and 5? Because obviously, some motherboards are going through that transition right now. So PCIe stands for Peripheral Component Interconnect Express, and that's obviously why we call it PCIe. So PCIe is a high-speed serial computer expansion bus standard. Now, we're not going to get into the older standards because when you start talking about older PC tech, you get off into the weeds real quick, and all those older standards could be their own video. However, PCIe is used as a way for a computer to communicate with various peripheral devices. The most common one that comes to mind is graphics cards. Of course, in the past, and some folks currently still use it for sound cards or network adapters or USB adapters, things like that. PCIe works by sending data packets over a series of serial lanes instead of the parallel buses used by older standards. This allows for much higher data transfer rates, with the number of lanes determining the maximum theoretical bandwidth of the connection. The most common configurations are by 1 lane, by 4, by 8, and by 16, where the number represents the number of lanes in the connection. The biggest benefit of PCIe is its speed. With data transfer rates that can reach up to several gigabytes per second, it allows for quick communication between the computer and the peripheral devices. This improved speed leads to faster load times, smoother video playback, and improved gaming performance. And I think that last one is very important to most of us here. Additionally, PCIe is also more flexible than older standards, and it allows for a wide range of devices to be connected. As we mentioned earlier, PCIe is used by a wide range of peripheral devices, including, and often best known, graphics cards, sound cards, network adapters, USB expanders, and more. It's also used by solid state drives, as it allows for much faster data speeds compared to traditional hard drive. This makes it a popular choice for high performance computing systems. And this is one of the things that Microsoft has been talking about for a long time with direct storage for Windows. It's going to streamline and allow video games to load much faster from SSDs. To sum things up, PCIe is a crucial component in the world of PC computing, providing fast and flexible communication between the computer and a myriad of devices. Its high data transfer rates and versatility make it an essential part of modern computing systems, and its continued evolution means that it will play a key role in future technology as we move into PCIe 5 and go beyond that. Hey, massive thanks for watching the video, guys. And until next time, GIF out.